Freedom fighters of India. Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi got married to Kasturba Gandhi at a very young age of 13. They had 4 sons, Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. He used truth and non-violence as his tools during India's freedom struggle against British colonial rule. His birthday is observed as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, and ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhi in India. The farmers were protesting against having to grow indigo with barely any payment for it. Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement on 4 September 1920 with the aim of promoting self-reliance by spinning khadi, buying Indian-made goods only and boycotting British goods. In 1921, Gandhi adopted the use of an Indian loincloth, short dhoti and a shawl in the winter, woven with yarn hand-spun on a traditional Indian spinning wheel, charkha, as a sign of identification with India's rural poor. He started the 400-kilometer Dandi March on 12th March 1930, challenging the British-imposed salt tax. In August 1942, Gandhiji started the Quit India movement as a do-or-die call to force the British to leave India. Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. People also call him Bapu or Rashtrapita. 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948 in the compound of Birla House, now Gandhi Smriti, a large mansion in central New Delhi. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's father's name was Shri Gangadhar Tilak and his mother's name was Parvati Bai Gangadhar. His wife was Satyabhama Bai Tilak and he had 3 children. He was a scholar, mathematician, philosopher. He started 2 publications known as Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English. His publication helped the Indian independence movement to garner support and created national awakening in India against the British regime. Mahatma Gandhi described Lokmanya Tilak as the maker of modern India. Because of his unique style of leadership, he was called as the father of Indian unrest by the British government. Jawaharlal Nehru paid his tribute to Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the father of Indian Revolution. He formed the concept of Atmanirbhar or self-reliance during the Indian independence movement. His political goal was to attain Swaraj for the people of India, and he participated in Swadeshi and boycott of foreign goods protests. Bal Gangadhar Tilak died on 1st August 1920 in Bombay, Bombay State, British India, present-day Mumbai, Maharashtra. Subhas Chandra Bose. Subhas Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Subhas Chandra Bose's father's name was Janki Bose and mother's name was Prabha Devi. His wife's name was Emily and daughter's name is Anita Bose. He was popularly known as Netaji. Subhas Chandra Bose was against the non-violence scheme of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a violence support nationalist. He founded Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army (INA) in 1942 with around 43,000 soldiers in 1942 to fight against British rule. INA freed Andaman and Nicobar Islands from the British and renamed it Swaraj and Shaheed Islands. Netaji met Adolf Hitler in 1942, who promised to provide submarines to him. Subhas Chandra Bose also started Azad Hind Radio in Germany to lead its independence movement on a global platform. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose also wrote a book named The Great Indian Struggle to explain the history of Indian independence movement. The Government of India has decided to celebrate Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose's birth anniversary every year on January 23 as Parakram Divas. It is believed that Subhas Chandra Bose died from third-degree burns on 18th August 1945 after his plane crashed in Taihoku, Japanese Taiwan. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. She was named Manikarnika Tambe and was nicknamed Manu. Her father was Moropant Tambe and her mother was Bhagirathi Sapre. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi, in 1842 and was afterwards called Lakshmi Bai. When King Gangadhar Rao became seriously ill, the couple adopted a son, Damodar, as they had no son of their own. The Britishers refused to accept him as their legal heir because he was an adopted child. After the death of the king, Britishers annexed Jhansi through the doctrine of lapse method under the leadership of Lord Dalhousie. Rani Lakshmi Bai was enraged and decided not to surrender Jhansi to the Britishers. She decided to resist the order of annexation. Rani Lakshmi Bai is known as a great patriot and one of the most important freedom fighters during the First War of Independence in 1857. Her indomitable spirit as for the freedom of her fort was also appreciated by her enemies. Lakshmi Bai fought wars with the Britishers very bravely in order to save Jhansi. She died on 18th June 1858 while fighting a war of revolt against the British. Sarojini Naidu. She was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father's name was Aghorinath Chattopadhyay and mother's name was Varda Sundari Devi. Her husband's name was Govindarajulu Naidu and she had 5 children. Sarojini Naidu was a great poetess too. Through her poems, she awakened the spirit of freedom struggle of India. She was called as Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi. Sarojini Naidu was brought into politics by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Mahatma Gandhi and Nehru. She took inspiration from Gandhiji and decided to fight for freedom and attainment of Swaraj or self-rule. She also actively worked hard for the upliftment and equality of women in society. She became the president of the Indian National Congress (INC) in the year 1925. She also became the governor of United Provinces or Uttar Pradesh in 1947. Sarojini Naidu died on 2nd March 1949 while serving her governor of state position. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our souls. Let us salute our freedom fighters and our nation on this Independence Day. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.